Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor 400 Power. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. Now click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and you can click sign in, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.